Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this one we're going to be taking a look at possibly one of the most difficult questions there has been on indices in a GCSE maths paper. Now, as long as you know your rules and you know how these type of questions work, you should be fine. These questions can just throw you off a little bit. But the basic rule is, if you have, let's say, some base k and some power a, and you have that it's equal to the same base k and a power b, then this tells you that a is equal to b. Yeah, there's basically no other choice of what the powers can be if the base is the same. And this is exactly how these questions work. So if you can get the base the same, then the powers must be equal. So let's start. I'm going to call this one number 1, this one number 2, and this one number 3. Let's have a look at number 1. So it says 3 to the a equals 1 over 9. Now what can we do with this? Well, 1 over 9 is 1 over 3 squared. By just basic knowledge, 3 squared is 3 times 3, which is 9. And one of the laws of indices says that if you have a fraction like this, then this is a reciprocal indice. So this becomes 3 to the minus 2. So in general, a to the minus n equals 1 over a to the n. So if you have 1 divided by a base to a positive power, you can just change this to a negative power. Right, and then we have that 3 to the a equals 3 to the minus 2. Therefore, a equals minus 2. Let's box this off to the side. Good. So number 2. 3 to the b equals 9 times root 3. Well, 9 is 3 squared, and root 3 is 3 to the power of a half. Again, that's another general rule, that a to the 1 over n, so fractional indices, is the nth root of a. So this is really testing your skills with your indices. And another law of indices, a to the m multiplied by a to the n equals a to the m plus n. And that's what we've encountered here. So all we have to do is add these powers. So we get 3 to the 2 plus a half, which equals 3 to the 5 over 2. So this tells us that, well, we have 3 to the b equals 3 to the 5 over 2, so b equals 5 over 2. Right, finally, expression number 3, or equation number 3. 3 to the c equals 1 over the square root of 3. Again, just like in the first example, we first change this to an indice. So this is 1 over 3 to the half. And once again, we can change this to a negative indice. Yeah, 1 divided by something to the power is the same thing as the base to the negative power. That's this rule here. Right, and so we have 3 to the c equals 3 to the minus a half. So this tells us that c equals minus a half. Right, and the question says work out the value of a plus b plus c. So now it's just a matter of substitution. A is minus 2, b is 5 over 2, or 2.5, and c is minus a half. So once you work all this out, you will get the final answer of 0. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like if you did. Give me a comment of what you want to see next. See you next time.